Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bose SoundLink Revolve Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing or not syncing with your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, if you're having any sound issues where it's not working, a lot of this can be fixed with a hard reset, especially if you've already tried a soft reset and it didn't do the trick. So if you want to do this, the other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set this speaker up as a new speaker, because everything will be cleared out of here, the pairing history and everything. It will be like it just came out of the box. So we can go ahead and proceed if you're ready to do that. What you want to do is connect the speaker to power. And then with the speaker to power connected to power, you're going to come and press the power button and hold it for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you're going to continue to hold the power button and you're going to disconnect the plug, unplug it, and hold this for a couple more seconds and then release it. And after that, you can wait a few more seconds, restore power, turn it back on, and it will be turned back on as a new speaker.